おいおい、よせよこんなところで。乱暴だな。おい、やめろ。俺は段取りを。好き。だい好き。当ててんのよ。
Of the spring 2024 season anime calendar. While it is awesome as the movie, this season has me crack hard as I'll dive into what makes this season tick, analyzing its adherence to the series' comedic roots, introduction of the new adventures and hints of character development. Created by Natsume Akatsuki and Kurone Mishima, this series will excite you, be it new or old. This series, of course, needs no introduction as everyone has already known the plot of the story of it already. Now, this season takes place after a series of events prior from the movie and the volume 5 of the novel.
モテ期などと浮かれましたけれども、結果未だ独り身。得たものといえば多くに襲われ迎えた低層の危機と、キメラとの心中による心神喪失。勘違いでしたわ。
But that's not just that. The real season starts from volume 6 of the prologue plus chapter 2 and chapter 3 of the novel.
恥ずかしそうに。
恥ずかしそうに？うん。恥ずかしそうにどうしたのですか？貴様に何を吹き込んでる？ぶった切られたいのか？
アイリスがぜひにと。
呼び捨てとは何事だ？王女様と。
The half of chapter 3 and chapter 4 all the way to volume 7, which wraps a total of 3 volumes of the light novels, surprising it may be as it seems.
クルセイダーですね。そのようなものに屈しはしない。閉めないでください、二人とも。違うのです。祝福の魔法はいるかしら。全然わかってないじゃないですか。
While it has been great, the season doesn't just rehash old gags, it throws out dysfunctional heroes into new quests and encounters, keeping the narrative fresh. From a visit to the bustling capital to a storyline involving a mysterious plant monster, this new adventures provides ample opportunities for hilarious mayhem. While the core dynamic between the characters remains delightfully chaotic, there are subtle hints of growth, particularly for Aqua and Darkness. Aqua's moments of genuine usefulness through grief are a welcome surprise. Darkness, ever the actress, grapples with a newfound sense of responsibility. These hints of growth add a layer of depth without compromising the core comedic focus. Aside from that, Studio Drive has proven that small anime companies can create success, from the time that they make a spin-off of Megumin to creating a family house of demons and having an eternity to you. They have proven it all. Looking by the comments as well, seems to be had a very much of a mixed reception. One would say that he very much liked it due to the fact that he was an hardcore fan of it. One had mixed feelings because it felt like this season was average at its best, while the other doesn't like it simply because this year's season was felt like a very bad taste for him. You know what? I don't need to insert memes on this. They are the memes itself. Just look at their faces. Comedy at its best.
やっぱり出家はやめ。
That's all for this video. If you have any comments, feel free to drop it by below. Do also subscribe to the channel as well. Until next time,